Now, for the corporate accounts or the group business, this is very important also. Why? We have a lot of companies that right now, at this particular period, may demand for short-term care, lalo na yung group or corporate. Ito na yung panahon ng kanilang mga pagdidesisyon. Ano? I think knowingly may mga pumasok na sa ating accounts ngayon na bago coming from Metro Manila and Cebu. No? I'm telling you, we have good companies na pumasok. I cannot reveal private. Pero yung sa government, siguro alam nyo na, public knowledge yun. We are also very, I would say, recognized in the industry of HMO. Isa sa tapang Kaiser. It did not come from me. Hindi sa akin yun. Ano? Pasok pala tayo. No? So, you will be surprised yung mga more familiar names dahil nauna sila, mas malaki ang Kaiser. So, mabango tayo. No? Ang punto ko doon, mabango tayo sa corporate world ngayon. Kasi tinitignan nila yung reports Uy, yung Kaiser is doing well. Without us, telling our achievements and so on and so forth. That is stability for you. I cannot just mention his name, pero mataas talaga ang position niya dun sa competitor natin. Ano? But sabi niya, mabuti pa kayo kaysa sa blank and blank and blank. So that you can capitalize and harp on. Maraming nga lumilipat I don't like to, I would say, mention. Ang dami na nag-transfer sa atin. So grab the opportunity. I won't mention names. That's nothing. That's unethical. But make it a point na makita nyo may mga institutions na gusto na after their contract has ended, lumipat sa Kaiser. Be there. Be present. So Dave, yun yung message ko. No? Yun ang importante dun last Sunday ko lang nalaman yun no? Na gano'n na pala ang tingin sa atin ng mga competitors natin. Simple lang kami, hindi lang kami nagbubuhat ng bangko. Diba? Mahirap yung ganun, diba? But we are recognized in the industry. I'm telling you, he's a very reliable, influential person in the industry. So with that, Dave, thank you. No? O, salamat po. May question, magsagutan tayo.